Hey everybody, Doug here. Quick little review of these Zevo interior light strip kit. Says 2 easy install 12-inch strips, expandable up to 20 inches. You have to buy some more extensions, 12-volt car adapter, and the rest is French. Here's the car adapter. Now, I'm not going to use that because I've already got a couple things plugged into the 12-volt adapter, cigarette lighter for the old school guys. Here is the light strip kit. Here is the remote. Those are all the colors, on, off, and you get some strobe functions, and most important, you get dimmer functions. So you can dim it down if it's too bright. Okay, here's a couple of extension cords. Alright, and when it comes, it's connected in one 24-inch strip, so you just kind of cut it and you get your two 12s here. And this is the part here that's hooked up to the two little 9-volt batteries. When it's in the package, and it says "Try Me," and you press a little button, and the lights come on. So I just cut the batteries off. This is, and I don't really dig this part here. This is what's called the photo eye for the remote. So this little photo eye and this remote have to be in line of sight. So you can't take this and bury it all in the dash, or this won't work. So, and look how short it is. It's only like, you get like 6 inches or something like that. So this has to be fairly close. So this can hang out somewhere, on the dash. I'll glue it on there or something and make it look all nice and tidy. But I'm going to connect mine up to the cigarette lighter. And that way, because I know my cigarette lighter in my Ram 1500 is switchable, so when the ignition's off, the cigarette lighter's off. Plus, it's got on and off buttons. See those two big red buttons? One red, one off. Okay, you get the idea. And we're going to give it a try on my battery that's being reserved for my solar power setup on my shed as soon as the weather gets a bit nicer. But let me stand you up here and we'll connect everything. Gotta get it all. Okay. So I'll give it a few minutes here. Okay, so black to negative, red to positive, and comes with some two-way sticky tape. Bet that's going to wear off after a while and it'll be dangling, so yeah, we'll see. Whatever, right? Okay, let me turn the lights out. Remote. Ooh, blue. There's just your basic white. Blue, yellow, orange, red, kind of a light bluey green, purple, and you can see it going down. You have to keep tapping it to go down. You just hold it and it doesn't go down on its own. So that's as dim as it goes. That's as bright as it goes. And you get some other goofy settings here. Obviously it cycles through the colors. Fade in, fade out. I don't know what that one really does. Oh yeah, it just cycles through the colors again. That's a little bit different. That would drive you balmy inside the car. That's more reserved for like when you're parked for car shows or something. But I like just the solid, man. Okay, there we go. Green, orange, yellow. I'll be using blue the most. Okay, and it's funny, I just bought this the other week, like about not even a month ago, and I had a little look online to see some other reviews. I can't believe that Eric the car guy reviewed this like 7 years ago. How long has this thing been out? 7, 8, 9 years? Even the box looked exactly the same that he opened up, you know, but it's good enough. I'm not, you know, I just wanted a little something. What I really wanted was more light down in the footwell, and I think this will fit the bill. But I'm not going to do anything with it yet because it's too snowy and cold out still. But yeah, I think you guys get the idea. Works pretty good. I think it'll get the job done. But yeah, so there you go. Sylvania Zevo interior strip LED light kit. Oh, okay. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up.